Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. We have all been there. You're browsing away, you close a tab, and then, oh no, you realize you still needed it. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. In this super quick tip, I'll show you the fastest way to reopen any closed tab in Chrome on your Windows PC. It's actually incredibly easy, guys. First, you don't need to dig through your history. Just right-click on any empty space in the tab bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a menu pop up. Click on Reopen Closed Tab. Just like that, your last closed tab will reappear right where it was. But here's a real pro tip, guys. The method I use 1,000 times a day. The keyboard shortcut. Simply press and hold Ctrl plus Shift plus T on your keyboard. That's it. Press it once to open your last closed tab. You can even keep pressing it to reopen tabs you closed earlier in the order you closed them. It's like having an undo button for your browsing. This trick is huge, and it's a huge time saver and a lifesaver for accidental clicks. If this quick tip saved you a panic, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.